Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm TechnoCradt, and I'm super excited to have you here. On this channel, you can expect reviews of the newest smartphones, laptops, and tech devices, also tech news updates. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Let's dive in. Is TikTok back in US? Yes, TikTok is currently operational in the United States. The app had temporarily gone offline on January 19, 2025, following the enforcement of a federal ban due to national security concerns over its Chinese ownership. However, services were restored after President-elect Donald Trump announced his intention to issue an executive order delaying the ban, providing clarity and assurance to service providers. Despite the restoration, TikTok remains unavailable for new downloads on the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. The platform's long-term availability in the US is still uncertain, as discussions continue regarding the divestment of its US operations by its parent company, ByteDance, to address national security concerns. Stay tuned at TechnoCradt for updates on the TikTok ban and other social media news. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends. And for those who haven't subscribed yet, click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss my latest videos. See you in the next one. Bye.